Hi, my name's John Gizzi. Welcome back to the Machinist Corner. Today we're in the weld shop making these Wheel Bracket Assemblies. This assembly is made up of 5 parts. I'm making these for all the machines over the mills and the 5-axis and hold reels and power cords. I just grounded the scale off the tubing and the plate so I can weld it just like this. All right, we'll just tack this up real quick. So all I'm gonna do is put a little weld there, put a little weld there, twist it and put a weld there and weld there. And now we can keep moving on. Now we gotta do this plate. This plate has to go on top of the tubing, which is 2 inches wide. This is 8.5, so we gotta find the middle. That's all for today. See you next time. For more information, visit our website.